All right, I'm here with Ryan Vano, one of Essentium's co-founders and our head of material production. So here at Essentium, we pride ourselves on being a materials-first company. Now, Ryan, in terms of production, what does that actually mean for our customers?
So the material selection process is integral to the engineering design process, and our customers rely on three things: high performance, reliability, and ease of use. The fact that we can develop these materials in-house, we can produce them, we can test them in an actual production environment, really gives us an advantage to be able to create these materials for our customers.
Okay, so take us into what types of materials we can actually produce here in-house.
So we can run everything from your standard copolyesters, the everyday use materials, all the way up to aerospace grade, high performance materials like PEEK and Ultem, and everything in between. We run flexible materials, we also run carbon fiber materials, and we're working on some really special composites that have additional capabilities and functionalities that we're not seeing in the 3D printing industry yet.
Perfect. Now, I know one of our main differentiators is our multi-layer filament. Maybe take our customers into what that means for them and how we produce that in-house.
Yeah, we've developed some unique products based on a co-extrusion process where we can add an additional functionality to our materials. So for our Z line of filaments, we're able to add a conductive coating of nanocomposite materials that allows the material to be ESD safe, but also easy to print just like your standard materials. We also can run highly loaded carbon fiber materials by adding a tougher coating to the outside of them. And finally, we've also got a special coating for our flexible materials that allow you to use softer and more flexible materials than any other material in the industry.
Okay, so if a customer has a material that's not currently in our portfolio, what's our approach to that?
Because we can develop the materials in-house, we can run them on our lines, we can test them, we can use them in an actual production environment, we can iterate through that whole process very quickly internally. So we can tune the material specifically for their application, all in-house.
Yeah, for a lot of our customers, we've created a private SKU for them that's not open to the public, but that we've certified on our machine that we run in-house and produce in-house.
Absolutely, we can help customers either replace an existing material that might be problematic or have some other issues for them, or can open up new opportunities for maybe new products where they can capture more market share, they can develop new products, or improve their efficiency in their processes.
All right, Ryan, thanks so much for giving our customers an inside look into what it looks like for us to produce these materials in-house.
Absolutely.